Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 19th match here in round 1. Scores are Manning School on 27 points, Edwin Allen High on 7 points. You'll have noticed Manning's lost a point during the break. The judges decided not to accept their answer to the question, what is the birth name of the Jamaican artist Stitchy? The answer, Cleveland Lang, came, and it's Lang. So the judges have decided not to accept. Manning still loses a point. As we get into the buzzer challenge, teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. And we will begin with Bible knowledge. John wrote to 7 churches of Asia in the book of Revelation. Which of them did he say had left their first love? Manning School.
Ephesus.
That's right. Biology. What is the name for eukaryotic organisms that decompose dead organisms and a Manning School?
Saprophytes.
Incorrect. Fungi. English language, give a 6-letter word starting with F, which means to cavort. Frolic. International Affairs, a visual one. Teams, look on the screen. Identify this person, please. Ivan Duque Marquez, President of Colombia. Chemistry. What are atoms with the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons? Manning School.
Isotopes.
That's right. Music and audio one. Teams, listen to the clip. Identify this group, please. Manning School.
Jackson 5.
That's right, general knowledge. Name one of the countries known as the sugar bowl of the world. Cuba or Brazil. Spanish. Which country is El Escocia? Scotland. Geography. Into how many quarters is the island of St. Lucia divided? Theatre and cinema, a visual one. Look at the screen, teams, and identify this person, please. Okay. Information technology. What company distributed free reader software to encourage the use of its flagship Acrobat desktop publishing system? Adobe. History. What British king is known for killing 2 and divorcing 2 of his... And that's Manning School.
King Henry VIII.
King Henry VIII.
That's right. Mathematics. An athlete runs 6 miles at 8 miles per hour, then walks 1 mile at 4 miles per hour. Find the average speed for the total distance. (7 miles per hour). Physics. Whose law describes the relationship between the angles of incidence and refraction when Manning's?
Snell's law.
That's right. Sport or visual ones. Teams, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Manning School.
Michael Jordan.
Incorrect. Mike Tyson, former heavyweight boxer. Jamaican heritage. Which Jamaican parish would you find the community of Kilmarnock? Kilmarnock. St. Elizabeth. French. What meat is le poulet? Chicken. Literature. Which Jamaican-born author wrote the novel Red Jacket? Pamela Mordecai. Art. Which 1930 painting by Grant Wood depicts a farmer holding a pitchfork and standing Manning School?
American Gothic.
That's right. Bible knowledge. Which Old Testament king had a disturbing dream about a huge tree reaching heaven, which was suddenly cut down to the roots? Nebuchadnezzar. Biology. What are specialized cells that transmit information through nerve impulses called? Manning School.
Neurons.
That's correct. English language. Spell abnegation, which means the act of renouncing something. Manning School.
N-I-G-A-T-I-O-N.
A-B-N-E-G-A-T-I-O-N, International Affairs. Which country launched? And we won't have time, as the bell signals the end of the final challenge and the end of the match for this evening. Scores look to be Manning School on 35 points, Edwin Allen High on 7. We'll double-check those scores, return with the final results right after these messages.